Embark on an exhilarating journey where your smartphone serves as the key to generating passive income. Picture this. By simply installing apps, you could unlock the potential to earn an average of $50 each. Yes, you read that correctly, $50. The more apps you install, the more you stand to earn. It's as straightforward as that. Stay tuned until the end as we reveal a step-by-step process to transform your spare time into a profitable venture. Don't pass up this opportunity to let your smartphone start working for you. Start your journey by taking the first step. Visit Castward.com. You'll find a link to this website in the video description. Dive into the wide range of lucrative offers available on this platform. What's great is that you can access the app on both your Android mobile device and your laptop or computer. If you're aiming to earn money online using your mobile device, just download their mobile app and begin. Your first task is to register on their website completely free of charge. I'll include a link to the website in the video description. Just click on it to set up your free account. After verifying your email and logging in, your dashboard will resemble what you see here. Experience individuals from various countries earning money every minute by merely installing apps. This platform is available in nearly all countries globally, enabling you to earn money no matter where you are located. Now, let's explore how to make money through app installations to generate income. Proceed to step number 2 by scrolling down on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of apps ready for installation, providing opportunities for online earnings. Continue scrolling, and you'll uncover a plethora of apps, potentially numbering in the thousands. These apps offer opportunities to earn varying amounts, from just a few cents to an impressive $248 per installation. On average, anticipate earning $70 for each app you install from this platform. Explore a diverse selection of useful apps frequently used in our daily routines, such as the Swagbucks app. By installing this app through our platform, you can earn $6.60 along with a free $5 gift card if you haven't already. Upon accessing the Swagbucks app, you'll find specific requirements and eligibility criteria for payment, such as being a new user and providing valid sign-up information during account creation. Once you've reviewed all the prerequisites, just click on the Start Offer button, and you'll be directed to the Swagbucks website. This specific offer is accessible to both desktop and mobile users. You can sign up for a new account, meet the outlined requirements, and earn a credit of $660. This platform hosts various app offers akin to this one, like the Grab Points offer showcased here, which grants you a $142 reward. Remarkably, this offer is open to users of desktop, Android, and Apple devices. Let's delve deeper into this opportunity. The Grab Points offer mandates signing up with accurate information to claim the $1.42 reward. Upon registration, you'll swiftly receive a credit of $1.42 in your account on this platform. By clicking Start Offer and completing the registration process, you can effortlessly earn $1.42 credited instantly to your account. Pause for a moment. Have you been enjoying this video thus far? If your response is affirmative, now is the ideal moment to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Simply click on the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our future uploads. Now, let's return to the video. The most exciting aspect of this video is uncovering the multitude of earning apps featured on this website, providing top payouts for installing and playing different games. Consider Merge Hotel, for example. By playing this game on your mobile device, whether it's Android or iOS, you can earn $1.80. When you access the offer, you'll discover that you'll receive compensation for your game progress every 12 days. It's an amazing chance to earn money for installing and enjoying a game. Remember to avoid using any VPN service when accessing this website to avoid permanent account banning. Let's explore the third important step that could generate passive income for you effortlessly. Simply navigate to the left side of the website and select Affiliate. This will smoothly guide you to a page filled with opportunities. Take a glance at this appealing offer. Earn commissions for every offer completed by users you refer. Take a look at your referral link, a potent tool enabling you to spread this opportunity worldwide. Share it extensively, and when people register through your link, you could earn an impressive 10% commission. Consider this. If your referral earns $11,000, a generous $100 could come your way as passive income, all for minimal effort on your part. Prepare for further insights as I unveil strategies for maximizing your referrals, unlocking the potential for unmatched earnings. Our initial step in this journey takes us to the expansive domain of Facebook.com. Start by searching for Make Money Online and focus on public groups, particularly those with over 10,000 members, enhancing your prospects of securing referrals in this venture. I've identified a valuable find named Make Money Online, with an impressive 23,000 members and bustling with more than 10 daily posts. Take the leap and click Join, immersing yourself in the group's dynamics. Start a new post with something along the lines of excited to earn $50 online daily, and leave a comment expressing interest in learning more. Observe as engagement sparks within the group, with members enthusiastically responding with interest to your post. Seize this perfect moment to respond with a private message and reach out to them with your customized referral link. Encourage them to sign up, initiating their earning journey on Cashward.com. And here's the amazing part. It's not just them making money. You're also in line to earn 10% of their earnings from Cashward.com. This mutually beneficial relationship unfolds, ensuring a win-win situation for all parties involved. Keep an eye out for more valuable tips and tricks to enhance your referral strategy and skyrocket your potential earnings. Transitioning to the fourth step, let me illustrate how to exhibit your withdrawal proof from Cashward. Just click on the Shop option, which will take you to a page where you can withdraw your earnings. There's a wide array of withdrawal options to choose from, including Apple gift cards, Xbox gift cards, eBay gift cards, Airbnb gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and many others. For me, I opt for PayPal. To access the PayPal voucher, simply search for PayPal in the provided box. I can withdraw a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $20 at a time. Let's choose the $20 option, keeping in mind the 10% fee for PayPal withdrawals. Now, click on the Withdraw $22 button, and your PayPal voucher will be submitted for approval. Typically, it takes a few hours for approval, so you just need to patiently wait for the process to be completed. And that wraps up today's session. If you found this video informative and engaging, please show your support by giving us a big thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.